updates. The Prime Minister is all set to hold his first election rally in Punjab today, but his first rally has now become a boiling point after the farmers protesting at the Shambhu border announced that they will march towards the very venue of the rally. The farmers who've been protesting at the Shambhu border, remember, for over 100 days, now have decided to stage a peaceful protest at the Prime Minister's rally venue. However, the administration is on its toes. The police have heightened security at the highway to not let the protesting farmers cross the border and enter the city. The administration has made elaborate security arrangements to avoid a 2022 Firozpur-like incident where the protesting farmers had blocked the PM's convoy, leaving it stuck on a flypast for around 20 minutes. Remember, all the 13 seats in Punjab will go to polls on the 1st of June, which is the 7th and the last phase of the ongoing Lok Sabha elections.
तो आज उनका फर्ज बनता है कि देश के 80 करोड़ किसान अथवा खेत मजदूरों को जवाब जरूर दें, जो हम सवाल करेंगे कि हमें दिल्ली जाके प्रदर्शन क्यों नहीं करने दिया। और जो नेशनल हाईवे है, चाहे शंभू है, खनौरी है, डबवाली है, रतनपुरा, वहाँ पर दीवारें सड़कों पर बनाकर हमें क्यों रोका गया। और जिस तरह से हमारे ऊपर जबर किया गया, यहाँ रबड़ की गोलियाँ, बुलेट, SLR की चली, 12 बोर की चली, हंजू गैस जिस तरह से ड्रोनों से हमारे ऊपर चलाए गए, उनका जवाब। और शहीद शुभकर्ण जी को क्यों शहीद किया गया, लखीमपुर खीरी का इंसाफ क्यों नहीं मिला, उनको टिकट क्यों दी गई। इसी के साथ साथ MSP लीगल गारंटी कानून, भारत WTO से बाहर आए, नरेगा का 200 दिन का रोजगार, 700 रुपया दिहाड़ी और किसान मजदूर का कर्ज खत्म करने की मांगों के ऊपर हम सवाल करेंगे।
Well, if we talk about the security perspective, almost 5,500 police are on the ground, cops are on the ground at the multi-level security. What we are given to understand is that this is just one layer of security, and beyond this, 15 kilometers road is leading towards the Patiala, and there are multi-layer security that has put in place towards the Patiala till the rally venue, and even the entire city has been completely cordoned for all the aspects. I request my camera person to kindly show the visuals to give you the sense what all is happening. And even the entire Patiala has been completely cordoned from all sides. Different entry points has been completely blocked, and even the rally venue, who wanted to participate in the rally, they were being asked to reach till 3 PM, and after that nobody will be allowed to enter inside the Patiala from any other entry point. So just because the security purpose, police and the administration have learned so many lessons from 2022 Firozpur PM security breach, and they are taking no chance and keeping in the view the security is the must. So that is the reason so many cops deployed on the ground.
देखिए किस पर पहुंचे, देखिए किस तरीके से जो किस